everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do safe wall walks. Now wall walks are a very efficient way for us to open up our spine, creating more mobility and flexibility in the spine and really help support all of our back bends. The technique that I'm going to show you is especially good for helping us to open up our upper thoracic spine, so from here to here, which is typically a little bit harder for us to open up. So try to embrace these back bends. I'm going to recommend that you start off with 3. So the technique I'll show you today is starting with 3. And then every day add another wall walk in. And this will quite quickly help you to see improvements to your spine, to your body, to your well-being, and of course to your back bends, so helping all of those camels feel so much better. So technique is to come an arm width distance away from the wall. So you're going to measure your own arm and then spin away so you're facing away from the wall. You're going to bring your feet to about hip width distance apart. Okay, so first one we're going to do, we're going to take a big breath in, reach the arms up into the sky. On the exhale, you relax your shoulders, ground your feet into the ground, and then on the next inhale, we're going to lift the chest and look up. On the exhale, we're going to go back and place our hands on the wall. Okay, so I want you to walk until you can get your hands flat against the wall, and then we're going to press the heels of the palm, this part, into the wall until the arms are straight. And that will make you lift up your chest, and you're going to breathe there for a few breaths. And then carefully pushing off the wall, come back up, and you're going to bring your hands to prayer position. And if you feel a little bit dizzy, which is quite common, you're just going to look at your thumbs. Breathe. Okay, so that's the first one. And the next one we're going to do, so here we just went to where we could just put our hands flat on the wall. The next one, we're going to walk hands distance down the wall. And again, find your breath, press hands into the wall until your arms are straight, and try and find ease through the breath there. It's normal to feel a bit panicky. Deep, calming breaths. Okay, so inhale, arms up. Exhale, shoulders relax. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go back. So hands flat, walk one hand distance down and push your hands into the wall. Lift the chest and breathe. Carefully coming up and finding your relaxation, stillness in between. Very important in between postures to not come into a forward fold. It is quite tempting, it's a counteraction that our body kind of says I want, but we want to wait until we've finished because it will just close the spine when we're starting to open it up. So afterwards you can come into a nice kind of ragdoll at the end, but for now stay upright. Okay, so the third one you're going to do, you're now going to walk another hand's distance down the wall, and at this point you probably want to come up on your toes just to create a little bit more space. I'll show you how that looks. So inhale, exhale, following the breath, inhale, exhale. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is what I want you to start off with, and then every day you can add another walk, and as far as it feels comfortable. You may feel you just want to keep staying up here until you kind of build a little bit more confidence and flexibility, and that's great. So if you are starting to make your way down the wall, you get to about halfway and you're on your toes, the next thing is to get down to the ground. So here we're going to take big steps to come all the way down into it in a wheel. And then to come back up, you have to take, again, big steps back up the wall. So I'll show you now how that looks. Okay. Let me just check, one arm's distance, hip distance with the feet. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Here we go. So when I get to the bottom, I'm on my toes. I'm going to press my chest now towards the wall. And that really opens up the spine. And to come up, big steps all the way back up. And so just take some breaths at the end, and when you feel slowly ready to finish, you're going to slowly take that forward bend, keeping the belly in and the knees soft. I'm going to recommend a little ragdoll at the end. And then of course you can finish off with a twist and a little child's pose to finish. That's a nice way to complete your wall walks. But let me know how you get on. If you have any questions, of course, just pop them into the comments or drop me a message. And yeah, have some fun with your wall walks. Let me know how you get on. Namaste.